In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a design in Canva using templates or a blank canvas. The first thing you need to do is open Canva and click on Create a Design. This is the starting point for almost any project in Canva, and it's where you decide how you want to begin. Once you click it, Canva gives you different ways to start building your design, and understanding these options will make the rest of your work much easier. One of the most useful options you'll see is templates. Templates are pre-designed layouts that are already built for you, which means a lot of the creative structure is already in place. These designs can be customized by changing the text, images, colors, and fonts, so even though you're starting from a ready-made layout, you can still make it feel unique and match your own style or brand. This is especially helpful if you want something polished without spending too much time arranging every detail yourself. Using a template is a great choice when you want to save time or when you need a little inspiration. Sometimes the hardest part of designing is knowing where to begin, and templates solve that by giving you a professional-looking foundation right away. From there, you can simply adjust the content and visuals to fit your project. It's a practical option for presentations, social media posts, flyers, and many other types of designs. The other option is to start with a blank design. A blank design gives you an empty canvas, which means nothing is pre-arranged for you. Instead, you create everything from scratch. This gives you complete creative freedom because you get to decide where every element goes, what colors to use, which fonts fit best, and how the overall layout should look. If you already have a clear vision in mind, this approach can be the best one. Choosing a blank design is ideal when you want full control over every element of your project. It allows you to build something entirely your own without being influenced by a preset layout. That can be especially useful if you're working on a custom concept, or if you want to experiment with your own design ideas from the very beginning. So when you start in Canva, think about what you need most. If you want speed and inspiration, go with a template. If you want maximum control and total creative freedom, choose a blank design. Understanding this simple choice will help you start every Canva project with more confidence and a clearer direction.